Welcome to our channel. Today we how to order OTC items with UnitedHealthcare benefits card, online guide step by step clearly. To order OTC items with your UnitedHealthcare benefits card online, begin by visiting the UnitedHealthcare website. Log into your account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one by clicking on the register option. Once logged in, navigate to the benefits section of the homepage. Look for the option labeled over-the-counter or OTC items. Click on the OTC section to access the catalog of available items. Browse through the categories or use the search bar to find specific items you need. Select the desired items to view more details. Check the quantity you want and add them to your cart. Once you have added all your items, proceed to your cart. Review your selected items to ensure accuracy. If everything looks correct, click on the Checkout button. Enter your shipping information if prompted. Ensure that your UnitedHealthcare benefits card is selected as the payment method. Confirm the order details and complete the transaction. You will receive a confirmation email with the details of your order. Monitor your email for shipping updates once your order has been processed. Your OTC items will be delivered to the address you provided. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.